Alright, so welcome, and in this video I will show you how to automate your WhatsApp so that even while you are sleeping someone chat you up and your WhatsApp will respond to that chat as if you are around. So your prospect may think that you are the one that responded to them. So let me just show you how you can do it. You can do it using 2 or 3 apps like this. Let me show you this one. Alright, so either this one or auto WhatsApp, this one here, auto, and there is other one there are many, but just choose the one you like and use the steps and set it up. They are all the same. So let me just show you how you can set up this one, because this one is a premium version and it's paid version. You can pay, or you have a craft version. So you either pay for it or you get the craft version. Show you how you can set it. This one. Okay, so these are the prompt trigger messages here. You see here, you receive. This is where you can insert the message that you want to be replied. Okay, so if you receive this message and the autoresponder can automatically respond with this one, which I set here, but you can set your own. If you come to receive here, then you type what your automated message, your default message, and then come to this send and insert what you want to be respond. So let me click on it. So I don't want off it now because it is working on my system, on my phone. So if I touch it now, it will alter my setup. So all you have to do is just come over here while you see this receive message here, here, and type your message that you want to be answered. Okay, this message, whoever sent you this message, and then come down here and insert the response that you want the app to send to that person. Okay, this here, these are the response reply message. So it is as easy as that. And if you want to send a multiple replies, you come down here and this multiple reply, and you click on plus icon over here. Okay, this plus icon here to add a new trigger message, new reply below the one that is already here. Okay, so all you have to do is just make sure you have your script. You write your script somewhere and then enter the trigger message here and then enter the reply here. That is it. And then you click on this blue icon here, this tick, this blue, just click on it. You set them all one after the other. You see all these are the what I set. So once somebody sent on me, and you can off it, by this icon here, when you toggle on it, it will off. And before you do anything, you have to test it. If you finish your setup, just test it here, this icon here, to test it. So let me just test my own here. I'll just send hi, and it will respond to that hi. Let's wait for it and see, because I set the delay to 6 seconds, right? I set the delay so that I can see it will look more human. Because if you didn't set the delay, once somebody drop hi, and it will automatically drop the reply, and that will make somebody to think that this is not a human being. So you have to insert a delay Don't know why it's not working. Maybe because I'm recording this one here now. That's why. So that's how you can set up your autoresponder. So thank you.